Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard, so the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then tap on this settings icon in the panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So of course you can scroll just like I did right now, or you can type the name of the language right here, up to you. I just wanted to show you that you've got a lot of options to choose from. So after finding or entering the name, just tap on the language you'd like to set and pick the region if you can. Here we've got the keyboard layouts, and depending on the language you will have different types of the keyboards. Sometimes you will be able to pick from up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So in order to apply the layout, just mark it like this order one and untick the other option, or leave it if you want to have 2 different keyboard types. Let's tap on done. And as you can see, the language has been applied, so we can go back to the keyboard. And here we've got 2 differences. So the first one, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Here we've got the name of the language we're currently using and the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. As you can see, we can freely change it to the order one. So basically this is how to add the language to keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to switch it to the another one and have only one applied. So the settings again, this list with the languages, and here just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of the video. And here we do not have the globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.